Good morning, dear kids. Welcome to your Mont 3 English ORC class. Students, this is your English ORC book. Students, today we will meet the characters of this book. These all are the characters. Students, let's meet. It's pup. Pup. It's dad. Who is he? He is dad. Dad has red mug. Who is she? She is Jill. Jill. Jill has green dress. It's Big Duck. It's Big Duck. Our next character is Anne. Anne. She is Anne. Anne has a beautiful hairband. Anne. She is Mum. She is Mum. And he is Ben. Ben has a yellow shirt. Ben. He is Pat. Pat has a bat. Pat. She is Janet. She is Janet. Janet has a yellow shirt. Our next character is Pam. She is Pam. She is Pam. Now he is Tom. Tom has a green cap. Tom. He is Tom. Now he is Tim. Tim. Tim is jumping on a log. Tim. He is Jim. He is Jim. It's Big Ox. Big Ox. Our next character is Red Fox. It's Red Fox. Now it's Cat. Cat. Cat has a hat. Cat has a hat on his head. Cat. It's Red Hen. It's our last character, Red Hen. Now kids, it's your homework. Allah Hafiz, dear students.